You kind of noticed that Bella was on the phone. Ring, ring. Hello, Bella. If I get close, she will wake up. She's so cheeky, she will growl at me most probably. Hello, Bella. Hi, girl.
You should have dealt the phone, honey.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. It's me, Toho. It's morning and it's cold. I've got chores and I've just been thinking if only winter could just start properly and then get it done over with. I hate winter and I wanted to pass. But it's been delayed. The last couple of years, I feel like winter has started late here in Zim. Uh, I remember our first May here in this house was freezing, and I remember being cold on my birthday and saying to Amon, I think from now on we must celebrate my birthday in the afternoon because it's cold. But the last couple of years, um, May has been warm. It's warm. It's sunny outside. There's a bit of a cold breeze, but it's not that bad. So, but for me, like if winter started right away, I would know that it would be over soon. Because I find August here is a bit colder than August in Bots. So, yeah, because in Bots, winter kind of does start in May. Anyways, the dogs are running. I'm thinking that someone is coming or someone is coming from the neighbors. But yeah, anyways, I've got chores. So let's just get into this video. Boys and girls, why are you hiding? Hey, why are you hiding? As for the guinea fowls, they are the most shy animals. So when you give food, a lot of times the chicken will approach first. Bella, can you stop it? The guinea fowls are looking good. I mean, the feathers have kind of blended in. You can't actually tell where I cut them. Hey, stop it. Except for the first one, I don't know. The first one I cut, I don't know if it still doesn't show. Because the first one, we really butchered it. Or I butchered it. So the birds have been flipping their water containers. Amon now puts a stone inside, a big stone inside their water container so that they don't flip it. Guinea fowl! Hi! Ami, is there no egg today?
Huh?
You're like an abused child banished into the spare room.
Trying to stay out of trouble.
You're trying to stay out of trouble. So, Amon will do this in the house after I've cleaned, and then the maize will fly everywhere. So he figured he can come and hide where I won't bother him. By the way, we removed everything that was in this room. Well, almost everything. The grain, those sacks are for the grain. Almost everything except for the art pieces on the wall and that door. Anyways, this is us having faith to tile it and paint it soon. We're having a quick lunch. Each man is making their own sandwich. May the best man win in terms of creativity. I'm always wins. These are always pretty. I'm too simple. I'll just mush mine up. That's me and my options. Don't judge our mayo. We've got some cheap mayo at the tuck shop. Look how yellow it is. I salted and black peppered. Amon is working on his other egg mayo sandwich. And he's using the crushed black pepper. And Amon gets 2 extra. That's a bit of white pepper there.
Yeah. You can't do pasta.
He just hollowed the bread. Amon likes his with a lot of mayonnaise. I tend to like mine a little bit with dry on the mayonnaise. Voila, Amon's plate. He's a proud boy. Voila, To's plate. She's a simple girl. I'm doing laundry today. I tend to move about wherever I position myself on the lawn because without water, the lawn is not doing so well. So wherever I tend to wash from a lot, the lawn tends to be thicker there than everywhere else. So today I moved to a different spot. But sometimes, unfortunately, we still pick the others in the yard and we don't know what happened. When we are not there, check at them. There they are. Optimus is visiting from next door too. He just came now. Wanna? Jeez, girl. They're taking long to see that they are free. Are you the shepherd with the staff? Freedom, guys! Guinea farmer. Wanna? Don't let your wild blood kick in, okay? Check it out. They've been longing to do that in the grass. Did you see that? The guinea fowl had escaped, and after that, Amon decided it was time for all the chickens to go back in the coop. And he was kind of directing them that way, and for the most part, they got in by themselves. We're burning some rubbish that's been overdue for burning, because we don't have city council coming here to get the rubbish for us. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.